You think you're healthy? Then why are you still exhausted, unfocused, and plagued by skin problems and brain fog? It's not in your head, it's hidden hunger. While you're not clinically deficient, your pathetic intake is a ticking time bomb. Our modern diets, full of processed garbage, have created massive nutritional voids. These aren't just gaps, they're catastrophic failures in the very building blocks your body needs for energy, immunity, and mental clarity. Let's cut the garbage and get straight to the 13 essential vitamins your body is begging for right now. First, vitamin D. A staggering 95% of US adults have inadequate intakes. Your indoor life is cratering your health. Vitamin D is the gatekeeper for calcium, making it non-negotiable for strong bones and a functioning immune system. Catch every bug that goes around. Your levels are probably in the toilet. Get outside for 15 to 20 minutes of sun exposure. Your food weapons are fatty fish like salmon and fortified milk or cereals. Next, vitamin A. 45% of the population has an inadequate intake. This vitamin is the core component that lets you see properly. The first casualty of a deficiency is your night vision, which can lead to permanent blindness in severe cases. It's also mission critical for healthy skin and a bulletproof immune system. The fix? Eat carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. For non-plant sources, liver and eggs are your powerhouses. Vitamin C is more than just for colds. It's a powerhouse antioxidant for your immune system. Yet 46% of Americans don't get enough. Bruising easily? Gums bleeding? That's your body begging for vitamin C, which is essential for producing collagen, the literal glue holding you together. To fix your levels, load up on bell peppers, strawberries, broccoli, and kiwi. They are absolute titans of vitamin C. Think of vitamin E as your cellular bodyguard, protecting you from free radical damage. While clinical deficiency is rare, a jaw-dropping 84% of adults may not be meeting the daily requirement from diet alone. Its primary mission is to shield every cell membrane from oxidative stress. Your answer is in nuts and seeds. Almonds and sunflower seeds are your new best friends. If you feel like you're dragging yourself through concrete, pay attention to B12. Deficiency is high in older adults and plant-based eaters, as it's found almost exclusively in animal products. B12 runs the factory for red blood cells and your nervous system. A shortage leads to anemia, exhaustion, and neurological signs like tingling hands and feet. Meat eaters, load up on beef, clams, and fish. Vegans and vegetarians, this is a code red alert. You must consume B12 fortified foods or take a supplement. Vitamin B6 is a workhorse involved in over 100 enzyme reactions. It's the master architect for neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, so a shortage attacks your mood first, causing irritability and depression. Other signs include skin rashes and a swollen tongue. To get more B6, your go-to foods are chickpeas, tuna, salmon, poultry, and potatoes. Do it. Folate, or B9, is mandatory for making DNA and building new cells. Deficiency symptoms are fatigue, irritability, and brain fog, and it can trigger anemia. For pregnant women, a lack of folate is an emergency that can cause catastrophic birth defects. The best sources are non-negotiable: leafy greens like spinach and kale. Beans, lentils, and avocados are also packed with it. Eat them. Without vitamin K, a paper cut is a serious threat. This vitamin is essential for blood clotting and directing calcium to build strong bones. The most obvious sign of a deficiency is excessive bleeding, easy bruising, bleeding gums, or frequent nosebleeds. To get your vitamin K, think green. Kale, spinach, collard greens, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are the most potent sources on the planet. Thiamine, or B1, is the literal spark that converts food into fuel. A deficiency starts with fatigue and irritability. Ignore it, and it can lead to nerve damage and a pins and needles sensation. Severe deficiency, known as beriberi, is a medical emergency that attacks your heart and nervous system. Your best sources are pork, whole grains, and black beans. Riboflavin, B2, is another workhorse in your body's energy production line. The signs of a deficiency are written all over your face: cracks at the corners of your mouth, a swollen, purplish tongue, and skin rashes. It's a giant red flag that your entire nutritional strategy is a failure. Find it in dairy, eggs, lean meats, and almonds. Niacin, B3, is a master regulator vital for over 400 enzymes. A severe lack leads to pellagra, defined by dermatitis, dementia, and diarrhea. But long before that disaster, you might see a pigmented rash, fatigue, and depression. To keep your niacin levels optimal, your mission is to eat chicken breast, tuna, turkey, and peanuts. Mushrooms are also an excellent source. Pantothenic acid, B5, is in almost all foods, so a true deficiency is extremely rare. Its job is to help create a molecule mandatory for converting food into raw energy. Vague symptoms include fatigue, irritability, and a burning or numb sensation in the hands and feet. Find it in shiitake mushrooms, sunflower seeds, chicken, and avocados. Biotin, B7, is famous for hair, skin, and nail health because it's a key player in making keratin. A deficiency is rare, but the signs are impossible to ignore: thinning hair, brittle nails, and a scaly red rash around the eyes, nose, and mouth. To boost your biotin, eat egg yolks, salmon, almonds, and sweet potatoes. There you have it, 13 wake-up calls. Connecting these nagging symptoms to specific nutritional failures is the first step to taking your life back. If this information was the gut punch you needed, then smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. Now, get in the comments and tell us, which of these shortfalls hit home for you? The power to fix this is entirely in your hands. It starts with awareness and the discipline to fuel your body with nutrient-dense, whole foods. Your body is communicating with you. It's time to stop making excuses and start listening. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.